3D printing is a constantly evolving technology, and since the emergence of the rapid prototyping in the late 80s, it has been called the most cost-effective method of creating prototypes for products development.
We opened a retail store is because 3D printing is still science fiction to a lot of people. The idea that you can have a machine and send it a digital design, a 3D model that's virtual, and it'll turn into something real, a physical model. It blows people's minds. We've put the design in here with the SD card. We press the big red M to get it jump to life. It heated up, and now it's drawing in plastic.
Why we don't use the additive printing to create shoes? Nowadays, we have different shoes for different occasions. For example, lightweight running shoes, leather dressing, high heels, and many other types of shoes. According to a survey applied to Brazilian users, more than 60% claims that the shoe do not fit their feet correctly, and nearly 90% feel pain due to uncomfortable shoes. The 3D printing technology might be able to create a custom shoe according to the user feet sizes.
Do it! Just do it!
Companies such as Adidas, Under Armour, and Nike have been trying to use the 3D printing technology in their products to create a new line of shoes. So far, they have been applying it only in the midsole of sports shoes for athletes' performance, and the shoes cost around $300 or more. With the studies, we estimated that manufacturing price is close to the actual manufacturing cost, and in the future, it can become competitive with the usual manufacturing process. We believe that in the near future, you'll be able to buy a comfortable shoe 100% made in Brazil with the technologies that are emerging.